In this video I want to show you how to do a 5 double crochet cluster. So if it's ever telling you to do a cluster and it's using 5 double crochets to do it, this is how you're going to do it. So I'm just gonna say I'm going into the stitch and I'm going to start making my double crochets, but they have to be working together. So I'm gonna wrap the hook into the stitch, pull through 2 and hold it. So don't finish it. So go wrap again, same stitch. This is the second time and you keep doing that until you get 5 times. So wrap and in, pull through 2 and hold, and you keep doing that until you get 5 done. You will see a total of 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 6, and that was the 5 double crochets working together as a cluster. Let me show you one more time. So we're just gonna go in, pull through 2 and hold. So that's 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. And once you get that done, yarning over, pulling it through all, and then you can move on. So this would be how you do a double crochet cluster using 5 into the same stitch.